Apple is about to pull off something so radical, so completely disruptive, that it will fundamentally alter the desktop computer market forever. For decades, the tech industry has forced us into a corner. If you want true, uncompromised, professional-grade performance, you are told you have to buy a massive, heavy desktop tower that sits on your floor, sucks down massive amounts of electricity, and sounds like a jet engine taking off under heavy load. If you want something small and quiet, you are told you have to settle for weak, compromised components that choke up the moment you try to render a high-definition video, compile complex code, or open more than a few browser tabs. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But tucked away inside Apple's engineering labs in Cupertino is a machine that is about to rewrite every single rule of physics and computing power. The Apple Mac Mini M5. If you think this is just another routine, boring incremental upgrade, you are about to be completely blindsided. The data, the architectural leaks, and the desperate moves of Apple's competitors tell a completely different story. Apple isn't just updating a product here. They are launching a full-scale assault on the traditional desktop PC. They are building an absolute titan of a machine, packed with next-generation neural engines, bleeding-edge thermodynamics, and a silicon architecture so advanced it makes current high-end desktop processors look like relics of a bygone era. And the most shocking part? They are putting all of this terrifying power into a chassis that can sit comfortably in the palm of your hand. Think about the sheer frustration of the modern creator, developer, and professional. You sit at your desk every single day, trying to bring your ideas to life. You are editing multi-track video, running dense data models, designing intricate three-dimensional spaces, or managing complex music arrangements. And what happens? You hit a wall. You watch the loading bars crawl across your screen. You feel the stutter as your machine tries to keep up with your brain. You hear the fan spinning faster and faster, generating heat and noise that shatters your focus. We have accepted this friction as a normal part of creative life. But why? Why should your tools dictate the speed of your imagination? The Mac Mini M5 is being specifically engineered to destroy that friction entirely. To understand the sheer scale of what is coming, we have to look at the massive architectural shift happening within the M5 platform. This isn't just about adding more cores or cranking up clock speeds until the chip burns itself out. This is a complete reimagining of how data moves through a computer. The unified memory architecture that gave Apple Silicon its massive competitive advantage is being pushed to its absolute physical limits. The bandwidth speeds leaking from the supply chain are astronomical, allowing the central processor, the graphics processor, and the neural engine to share data at speeds that traditional PC architectures cannot even comprehend without massive latency. When you launch a heavy application, it won't just load fast, it will feel instantaneous. The concept of waiting for your computer to catch up with you is about to become entirely obsolete. Let's talk about the psychological impact of having this much power in a footprint this small. There is a deep, underlying satisfaction in minimalism. The days of giant, ugly black boxes taking up half your desk space, tangled in a web of thick power cords and video cables, are over. The Mac Mini M5 represents the ultimate expression of hidden power. It sits quietly under your monitor, completely out of sight, yet it holds the computational muscle to outperform systems triple its size and quadruple its